Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to use Canva templates. Well, today I'll be teaching how to use Canva templates. All you need to do is go to your Canva. Once you're here at your Canva, choose which one of this that you want, or you can just go directly to templates right here. So here, once you're at templates, search the template that you want. Let's say resume, then enter. And as you can see right now, there's a crowns things. Those crowns are the upgrade to Canva Pro. So those are Canva Pro. So a Canva Pro, let's see, a Canva Pro is a Canva Pro that you'll have to pay for to use their special templates or special abilities or maybe special designs that are not free. So that's Canva Pro. But right now we're on the free version, so we're just gonna choose a free version of this resume. So let's choose this one right over here, Drufig. Now to use this template, just click on custom this template. Then click on right there. And now here you go. Here's the first page of the resume, and this is the second page of the resume. As you can see now, you can edit this out, delete that, change it with your picture and stuff. So yeah, that's how to use the Canva template in Canva. And a quick tip for you guys, you can also save. Let's say you like this, you're having a hard time to choose between this one, and this one. So all you can do is just star right here, put a favorite here, and here also you can also add a favorite, so you can come back to those ones that you pick. To unfavorite them, just click on the star again until the yellow is removed. There you go. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it down in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer you. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.